I'll show you how to clone any voice directly in your browser completely free. No GPU required and it is as simple as clicking a button. Here is an example of my voice clone. Can you tell the difference? First we need to start a collab server. Click on new notebook. Then click the arrow next to the connect button and open the runtime settings. Select the T4 GPU, click save and then click connect. This will start a T4 GPU session directly in your browser. Next we'll install Comfy UI and Qwen3 TTS custom node. And don't worry, I'll provide all these commands you need. Once Comfy UI and Qwen TTS nodes are installed, we will launch the Comfy UI service and access it through another service called Xerox. You will need a Xerox token which you can get by signing up for a free account. When you run this command for the first time, Xerox will automatically be installed in Google Colab. Once it starts running, you will see a public URL. Open that URL in your browser to access Comfy UI. When Comfy UI opens for the first time, you will see several templates available. If you accidentally close this window, you can always reopen it by clicking templates in the left sidebar. Once you open the templates dialog, scroll down in the left panel until you find Comfy UI Qwen TTS. Click on it and you'll see several templates, including one called Qwen3 voice clone. When you open it, you'll see something called a workflow. Don't worry about it if it looks complicated. I'll break it down step by step. First, you'll need to upload the sample audio. This is the audio that you want to clone. Ideally, you will need a 5-second clip of someone's voice. Next, you'll need to write the transcript of what they are saying. Next, here you will write what you want them to say. For model, you can select 1.7 base. When you select the model and click the run button for the first time, it will download the model. So it will take some time for the first time, but once it has downloaded the model, next time it will run faster. Audio will be automatically saved and you can find this audio in the Comfy UI output folder, and you can just click on these 3 dots and download this audio to your computer. If you run into any issues, check my 1.2 Google Colab video. In that video there is a troubleshooting section that will help you troubleshoot any issues.